I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins with the closing market minute for Thursday, July 11th. Soybeans ended the session steady to firm, continuing to keep an eye on U.S. development conditions, which look mostly favorable over the near term. There are some areas of concern, but again, overall things look pretty favorable for soybean development right now. The big factor really was position squaring ahead of Friday's USDA supply, demand, and production numbers. Not expecting a whole lot of changes in this round for domestic soybeans, but there could be adjustments for Brazil's crop. Corn ended the session modestly higher, also watching development weather and preparing for Friday's USDA supply and demand estimates. Possible changes there include larger U.S. ending stocks due to very slow farmer selling. And wheat was higher, oversold and due for a bounce after the recent weakness, with some additional support from the lower move in the dollar index. The changes for wheat and supply and demand numbers are largely expected to be on the global side of the ledger. Those numbers are out Friday at noon Eastern, 11 a.m. Central. Live cattle were steady to higher and feeders were up, shrugging off the bearish fundamental factors from this week. Cash business was lower than a week ago on both the live and the dress basis. Box beef was lower at midday on Thursday, and beef export sales last week were a marketing year low, so those gains on Thursday largely technical for the cattle. And hogs closed higher with some months up sharply on heavily oversold signals in the higher midday move in pork. With the closing market minute for Thursday, July 11th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins.